get a YouTube channel. I want go to the top, grab the 6 blocks. Okay? Still very cool. Where am I? Guys. There we go, guys. We're back. Here, these 3 old stones. Oh, it's a mess. What is it? Gosh, oh, sorry. Almost went down. Oh, nice items. All these. I get because some players playing
Sige, walang bahala dyan ha. Susunod namin siya. Wala.
May gagawa ng ano.
very speed was open. Very speed. Oh, I can control it. Oh my god, what's that? Oh, giant. What is that means? Please don't watch. Let's do I am very bored. Oh my god.
Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo? Hindi niya ito takulin sa dami.
Wala rin si Susan. Gusto ko doon sa plato niya. Sa 15th floor.
Oh my god.
Ilang plato ha.
Oh my gosh, wow. Market style. Soup stacked. Sorry for the lag. Hey boy. Right here, okay?
Ano mga sasakyan?
Right here. Okay. Come back. Don't go down. Go down. Oh my god. Oh. Let me go, guys. See. Let me go. Enter this. Oh. Oh,
Lagi ako nag-enjoy pag nag-bahay.
oh, I can't.
Talaga?
Hold
Nag-enjoy ka rin kay
on.
Pepsi?
Hola. Hola. Oh.
Bakit mo siya iniligtas din sa Macau? Nakadisguise ka, pero matandang pala.
Hindi niya alam na siya.
Ano ba nakakalaga sa'yo?
Sorry.
Huwag ka magtitiwala sa babae. Iligtas ko lang kanya kay Tokaw. Patilay ka dahil sa kanya.
Pagkira yung hindi mo nang nahulog ako. Tulungan mo naman nahulog ako sa kanila. Tapos kumapat ako.
Nakapat na
Oh
araw
my
ko.
god.
Pag-uwi ko na matinig.
Hindi ka siya
Help! Help!
Sigurado.
Absolutely yes.
May plano yung isa pala.
Hardest game ever. Oh my gosh, why? Why did I do that to me? Oh no! It's very scary! I need to hit one jump. Oh no! Oh no! I'm only having jump. Oh my god! This is very hard game.
Konti. Kailan ba ito bibili?
Grabe na.
Nasa na ito ngayon?
Oh wow.
Laman niya.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Treasure again. Sorry for that, guys. Oh my god. This is very hard. Oh my gosh, how deep. Parkour, man, I just parkour. Let's load there. Yeah, this is very hard again. In my life. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. I am tired. Oh my. Oh my god. It's very funny to me again. Come on, is it? Oh wait, guys. Oh guys, oh my. What I'm doing, let's see. Oh my god. This is very low. Go!
Kaya yun, no?
This is nice. Nice. It's going with my very cool. Oh my god.
Kilala siya, no? Ano? Yung may-ari nung ano yata yun, ng ganito. Ang dami tayo.
Nasaan ka?
Ang lakas Yun ang loob mo. Sana, papuntahin mo yung isang Susan. Ganun ba? Masama ba yun? Kung magnakaw, sila ako magnanakaw. Kung nagmamakaawa ka, baka bigyan ka namin ng barya. Ano? Ayos ba yun? Ano masasabi mo? Ayoko. Gusto ko $10 million. Hey! Tama na. Ibrasyon mo na. Asan? Nandun sa taas. At Faisal, sa 1505. Barin mo na.
Yung pinaka ano, no?
What?
Yan ko walang pera sa matatapanan. Pasukin na sa
Why? What do I do?
Kumuha ka ba doon?
Oh, nice. Oh, guys. Goodbye and subscribe my channel. Bye. So please subscribe. Subscribe like this red. Hey, did you say this red? Like this and quick. Subscribe. Bye.